Hello and welcome to your Tone It Up Mindful Meditation. So today we are focusing on friendship, community, and connection. And to me, meditation is really this journey that leads us to this divine consciousness in life. And that connection is meant to be with your true, divine, authentic self, aka your number one best friend. Because once you are your number one best friend, then you can share all of that self-love with yourself and with nature, with the rest of your friends and your community. And this deeper connection with ourselves allows us to truly have deeper friendships and even develop deeper friendships with the friends that we already have. Quality of friendships in our life truly starts with the quality of the relationship with ourselves and to be able to share that with everyone else. So let's get connected with that source. And after this meditation, I encourage you to maybe grab a pen and paper or your journal and write down some of the thoughts that you're having. Maybe it's a message to yourself or just anything you want to remember. Just allow a few moments of self-reflection. So let's do this. Find a comfortable place, seated upright, spine tall, and close your eyes. Let's begin by focusing on our breath. Take a deep inhale in for 4 and exhale out for 4. Inhale in, exhale out. Continue to breathe with a count of 4 as you allow yourself to release any outside thoughts. Your focus is on your body and your mind right here, right now. Now bring attention to your body and where the pressure points are as you sit on the earth. And bring awareness to your lungs as you breathe in and out. Now continue to breathe naturally. And let's connect with our entire body, beginning at our feet. Bring awareness to our feet, our ankles, as they touch the earth. And go up your legs. Bring awareness to your calves, your knees. Inhale into your thighs. Give thanks to your hips, your belly, your abdomen. Give thanks to your back, your shoulders, your chest. Give thanks to your arms, all the way to your wrists. And bring awareness to your strong hands. And then inhale up through your neck and into your head, and exhale it out. Now, without overthinking and just letting thoughts come and go, ask yourself these few questions. What is of most value and importance to you in life? Is it family, friendships, community, self-love? Take a moment to reflect on these values and how you express them in your daily life. What is your purpose? Just take that thought that first comes to mind. What are you grateful for? Consider finding true friendship with yourself involves knowing who you are, the person you are meant to be, and she is there and she is ready to be shared. Now begin to imagine yourself from an outside perspective, standing in an empty room. Look deeply. Examine. What do you see? see the full potential that you truly are? Now imagine a halo of white light surrounding this person as self-doubt and fear dissolves and confidence is appearing. This halo of light that is your energetic magnetic field is protecting you and feeding you. With self-appreciation and love, nothing can hold you back. Watch as your barriers and negative thoughts strip away and dissolve. You become your simplest, most pure self. You are pure potentiality. You have been there all along, from birth. Allow that childlike love and freedom to take over. You are invincible. You are capable of love, of friendship, of manifesting your dreams. Now imagine you standing in that room surrounded by this light, smiling, loving, bursting with enthusiasm and joy. And you want to share this self-love with the world. No more barriers, no more fears. Let's go. Now when you're ready, bring awareness to your present body. Moving your fingers and toes, maybe a little stretch from side to side. And when you're ready, open your eyes to the beautiful, loving world that is yours. With love, namaste.